Hola, bienvenido a todos a la lección 1B. Hoy nosotros vamos a aprender deletrear. So let's practice spelling just to see how well we can memorize our letters off the top of our head. I put together a few words with some of the letters that we may pronounce differently, significantly in Spanish than we do in English. I also put together some words that may have some of our new characters that we're learning in Spanish. The che, ella, n, r. So let's start. Let's spell arroz. A-R-O-Z. Charlie. Che-A-R-L-I-E. Señor. S-E-N-O-R. Calle. C-A-L-E. Kilo. K-I-L-O. ¿Quién? Q-U-I-E-N. Jamón. J-A-M-O-N. Gente. G-E-N-T-E. Hable. H-A-B-L-E. Wilson. W or W-I-L-S-O-N. Yolanda. Y-O-L-A-N-D-A. Yolanda. I put this word in English. Exam. In Spanish it would be examen, but I just wanted to make a short word. E-X-A-M. Zebra. Zeta. Notice I'm not saying zeta. I'm saying zeta. Z-E-B-R-A. Now, a couple of other things I wanted to teach you about spelling, because since you're learning how to speak Spanish, you're also going to learn how to spell. And you're going to be speaking with lots of people that ask you to spell your name, that ask you to spell a word. They're going to spell things to you. So let's learn a little bit about how people spell things in Spanish. Now, in Spanish, the V and the B letters are pronounced generally the same. So they use a certain way, a certain expression to be able to distinguish whether they're spelling a word with a V or whether they're spelling a word with a B. The V, as in the word David, is called ve chica, small v. Because it sounds the same, they say ve chica. The B, as in the word Betty, is called ve grande, big B, ve grande, to distinguish which one they're using. So let's try to spell Betty. So someone says, how do you spell your name? And she wants to make sure that they're spelling it with the right letters. So she says, B grande, E, T, T, Y. Now if David, somebody asks David to spell his name, he's going to say, D, A, V chica, I, D. So whenever you hear those, someone's use those, now you know what that means. Let's try our version of M as in Mary. When someone asks us to spell a word and it has an M in it or another letter in it, we might say M as in Mary, L as in lollipop, so that they can hear what letter we're saying, especially when we're on the phone. So Maria wants to spell her name. She says, M de mamá, A-R-I-A. So they're saying M de, and then the word. M de mamá. Say Sam wants to spell his name. He wants to make sure that we know that this is an S. So he says S de santo. A M. So those are just a few tips on how we can spell things to people that may need us to spell our name or spell a different word for them. Just a few tips on how to spell in Spanish. Now our next lesson, we're just going to go over a general review of our vowels, and then I'm going to break all those vowels down. So we'll see you next time. Bye.